So responsible internationalisation is a huge topic and it's really just a way of us as an alliance thinking about our everyday practice. We've been discussing operational implications for professional service staff, for academics, for students, and thinking about how as researchers, as educators, as facilitators, we're doing the best we possibly can to avoid unintended bad consequences. So this workshop's focused on knowledge transfer and technology transfer. Previous workshops are focused on geopolitical conflict, fair partnerships, research security, all sorts of different areas.
Tech Transfer Office is basically the moment where you valorize on your research. So if a researcher does come up with something, you want to bring that to society. Otherwise, it's just a book on a shelf. So we want to create value, and that's what tech transfer offices do, helping to create value with the input from the researcher to society.
The main challenge is how to put our results from the lab to the market. This is the most important because usually the Tech Transfer Center need to be the bridge between researchers and between academia and industry and other companies.
So the main takeaway from today was that there's lots happening at an institutional level, and our discussion has been focusing on how Utopia can occupy the grey spaces where maybe there is no regulation, maybe where there is a need for a sharing of good practice, to think about where the Alliance and other alliances like us can do more work to consolidate and improve our practice.
It was really a wonderful workshop focusing on knowledge transfer, tech transfer at the local, national, global levels, learning about different models for it. It was a lot of food for thought. And my work is with science diplomacy. It was very, very interesting to kind of see all of these synergies where they can kind of overlap. I'm looking forward to seeing where this develops and further, weaving together many of the different focus areas of Utopia.
It's very great to be here with my friends, our colleagues from different universities. It's very amazing to be here.
It's wonderful. I mean, multilateralism is the bread and butter for a more successful world, and this is multilateralism at the academic level. And we also involved stakeholders from the European Commission, from UNESCO, and it was just a very good convergence of many different sort of multilateral platforms. And I hope that's with this perilous future that we're facing, it's a very hopeful reminder that collaboration is possible, and that will save us in the end, I'm sure.
It's super interesting to have our international partners coming together. Of the presentations, you can see how each institution by themselves has their own track record, their own best practices. It's very important for us to share with each other, and of course to reach out to each other and to make each other better. So very valuable to have these insights.
I was involved, I think, almost 2 years ago in EUTOPIA, and I love it because I learn a lot, I make connection, I met great people, and we have a good collaboration. The first main program what I organized, it was last year, the Innovation Challenge for Students. And when you need to work with 80 people from 10 different countries, it's a big challenge, but we can make it.